Restoring your Exodus wallet on mobile is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, ensure you have the Exodus mobile app installed on your device. If you do not have the app, download and install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. To begin the restoration process, open the Exodus app and select the option to restore a wallet. You will be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase, which is a unique sequence of words used to secure and recover your wallet. This phrase is typically written down and stored in a safe place when you first create your Exodus wallet. Enter the 12-word recovery phrase in the correct order, separated by spaces. Make sure to double-check each word for accuracy, as a single mistake can result in failed restoration. Once you have entered the phrase, select the option to restore your wallet. Exodus will then synchronize your wallet with the blockchain, which may take a few minutes. During this time, you will see a progress bar indicating the status of the restoration. Once the restoration is complete, your wallet will be fully functional and all of your assets will be available. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as it is the only way to restore your wallet if you lose access to your device or forget your password. It is also important to note that anyone with access to your recovery phrase can access your wallet, so it is crucial to store it in a secure location. In addition to restoring your wallet, it is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication and set a strong password to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure the security and integrity of your Exodus wallet on mobile.